How you guys doing? This is a quick video about GDX bottoming process usually in the daily time frame and how similar the previous time and what can we learn from what happened in the past. So this is the daily time frame and I'm gonna start with December 2016, how it bottomed, GDX, and how it went up in every bottom after that. First thing you can notice easily is the positive divergence. Most, if not all, bullish legs that starts after a bearish leg is always, most of the times, ends with positive divergence. So it's really weird how they repeat themselves. So this time we had 4 down legs, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we have rising bottoms, 1, 2, 3. This is the MACD, by the way. Then we have that bullish move. After that, we had another bullish move in May, June, till September 2017. The other bullish moves after that, they have commonality in them too. It is, let me lower now things so we could see things easier. Okay, let's do 5. So the only time you had a violent move to the upside was in December 2016, early 2017, and it had 3 rising bottoms in the MACD. And after that, we had a common price action behavior. It is when you have the major, these are the moving averages, different, and this is the bull in Japan, by the way. So the moving averages, you could read them here. You can pause if you want to. Okay, pause and look. 10, 250, and the 20. 20 is inside the bull in Japan. Good deal. Okay, so this is after the flush of that started in July 2018 to September. So we had a flush, low, then lower low, then a higher low. Here is the time where you have the bottoming process. And this bottoming process, you have a tightening Bollinger Band, and the moving averages are, it's going through the moving averages. It's self-explanatory because when the trading range is tightening in the standard deviation of the 20 period moving average, you would have this action. So only one time since the start of the bull market that this didn't take place. At that time, you have 3 rising bottoms in the MACD, even though this one you have 1 and another rising bottom. So this is supposedly a bottom, and you could have sold at the Bollinger Band. Then you have this beautiful head, left shoulder, right shoulder, then a measured move, then you test this low right here. But this should be where that beautiful up leg started, with this trading range and the Bollinger Band. So most of the times you have a tightening Bollinger Band and the moving averages are crossing over each other, and this choppiness. So this ended here with a beautiful shooting star, and it went down and it started and it bottomed this one right here in, started the bottom in May 2019. It ended in almost June, which is 30th of May, but let's say June. We have the same thing, tightening Bollinger Band, buys and bottoms in the MACD. Good deal. So we had this beautiful up leg that ended in this down leg. So we have 1, 2, 3, rising MACDs, tighten Bollinger Band, up leg, tighten Bollinger Band, terminate leg, then that flush, that ugly flush. So I'm not using correlations, nor I'm using silver, nothing, just the GDX price action. And this one right here it was not the bottom. It was part of this up leg. So I'm not talking about that. Usually a bottom lasts between 3 to 4 months after the correction. This is the behavior of GDX, the gold miner ETF. So we started this top in August. Now we are in November. How is the Bollinger Band? It's still wide. So it's not bottoming according to the past. The moving averages are not really choppy like it is here, or the other ones. Rise and bottom in the MACD, well, it's an equal bottom. Definitely there's a positive divergence here because you have a bottom and a lower low here. Fallen bottom. Low, lower low. But it's not indicative of an end of a correction bottom. So if history repeats itself, we should have rising MACD bottoms or tightening Bollinger Band with trading range. So I posted this video because I wanted to try to help control the FOMO in some guys that think that they're gonna lose the opportunity, and you could back test it to yourself. So in conclusion, is GDX price action is bottoming now according to the past? No. I did not talk about correlation today. I did not talk about confirmation, silver, gold miners, gold price action, just pure GDX. I wish you guys the very best, and disco is forever!